Hello! Ooh, Christmas came early today. Ladies and gentlemen and ladies, today there's no need for introductions. However, we have the Elite Series 2 Halo Infinite Edition and the Xbox Series X Halo Infinite Edition. Man, Handsome Nation, this is a beautiful sight to behold. I honestly don't know how I got so lucky to get both these bad boys. But enough yapping, let's just get into it, shall we? You know what time it is. Boxy time. All right, first up, we have the Elite Series 2 Halo Infinite controller. Oh my. So on the right side of the box, it says it's for the Xbox Series X, Series S, Xbox One, Windows 10, Android, and iOS. We get limited edition wireless controller Series 2, interchangeable D-pads, 2 of them. We get 4 interchangeable paddles, interchangeable thumbsticks. We get 6 of those. The carrying case, of course, the charging dock USB-C cable, and the thumbstick adjustment tool. On the back of the box, it says it's optimized for you. It's optimized for me. Limitless customization, extend your gameplay, and built for performance. Up top it says Halo Infinite Limited Edition. With the purchase of this controller, you get exclusive in-game content. Of course, it requires Halo Infinite, but I got that. I got that with my Series X. Or you can get that with the, Game Pass. But ladies and gents, it's about that time to crack this baby open and see what she's all about. Let's get into it. Oh my goodness. So even carrying it over to the inside of the box with that nice touch, that nice detail. Oh yes, indeedy, sweetie. And here we have the case for the limited edition Elite Series 2 Halo Infinite controller. Underneath, you're going to get this braided cable, of course, USB-A to USB-C on the other side. Let's see, what are we getting here? All right, so here's going to be that code for that exclusive content, the Elite Series 2 booklet, and the product and regulatory guide. Let's see if there's anything cool in this booklet. No, looks like it's the same booklet, but that's about it for what's inside. Now, let's check out the controller. So of course, it's a hard shell case, flat on the back, just like the regular Elite Series 2 case. Got the little port right there if we want to charge it via USB Type-C with the controller inside the case. And then of course, you got this little tab right here so you can hook it to whatever. But Handsome Nation, here she is. We got this for the haters, the PS5 fanboys. Go ahead and have that. Woo-wee. Oh yes. Okay.
Oh, yes.
It's that feeling that I know and I love of the Elite Series 2 controller, but so much cooler, man. And then on the back, golly, jeez. Up top, we got that 117 USB Type-C charging port right there. Oh, and look at that. It's nice and glossy, and the ABXY is kind of smoky, kind of discreet. Man. Oh my goodness. Oh. And look at this. Echo 216, calling Echo 216. Oh, nice touch. So to complete the entire theme, of course the thumbsticks are Master Chief Green. No matter which thumbstick you decide to go with, you're covered. And one thing that is unmatched with any other controller that I've tried so far is the easeability of switching out the thumbsticks. Bam, you're set, connected, and attached via magnets. It's such a clutch and clever design. But man, oh man. Oh my goodness. She is a beaut. Well, as of today, the beta multiplayer is available, so I can't wait to try this controller out playing that. Come on, y'all. You guys know I had to do it. Had to get this limited edition controller in Mr. Master Chief's hands. Yes, sir. But don't sleep on this video. We still got a Series X to check out. All right, so in front of the box, we got a picture of not only this beautiful Xbox Series X, but look at the controller. Oh my goodness, I'm haloed out. And of course, with this limited edition, it comes with a copy of Halo Infinite. On the back of the box, of course, Master Chief wants to continue to power your dreams. All right, so on the right-hand side, it's got a picture of the Series X from the top down. All right, let's get the sleeve off and then see what's underneath. You guys seeing this? Oh my goodness. 20 years of amazing Xbox goodness. 2001 in the top left-hand corner, Halo Infinite, 20 years. Yes, indeedy, sweetie. On the right side of the box, it says, we crafted this limited edition console to celebrate you, our fans. This monolith of power and performance serves as an expression of our gratitude to all who have inspired and joined us in exploring this spectacular universe. Halo Infinite is our greatest adventure yet, and we invite you to discover its mysteries with us. And then it has that quote in 2 other languages, and of course, this is from the 343 team. The left side of the box just says Halo Infinite. And then on the back, the same thing, Master Chief, Halo Infinite, 20 years. But all right, we got several pieces of tape we got to remove. Let's do it. Okay, I believe I got all the tape off. Let's set it down. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. All right, calm yourself. Let's open it up. My goodness. Here she is. All right, let's take this bad boy out and set her to the side. So underneath the Xbox, here's gonna be our Halo Infinite Digital Direct code. And then back here, let's see. Product and regulatory guide. I wish this was green or maybe even that blue color, but this looks like the same ultra high speed HDMI 2.1 cable that comes in every other Xbox Series X. It's gonna be the same for the power cable. Let's see this limited edition controller. Yes. Oh my goodness. This looks slick. On the back of the controller, celebrating 20 years. Let's see if we got any special note. No special note inside the battery door, which is, I know the 20-year celebration controller, that's got a message from Uncle Phil in the battery door, but this one doesn't. Let's put the batteries in and power on the controller. So even the white comes through. I thought it'd be a little bit more goldish, but no, the white's coming through just fine. And last but not least, the Xbox Series X. They even carried on the theme with the black paper. You see the little stars? That's cool. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is etched in there. Oh, that is nice. Wow. And even at the bottom, look at that. Here's the top of it, celebrating 20 years. Man, guys, this looks awesome. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to introduce you to my friend, the Xbox Series X Halo Infinite Limited Edition. Man, I'm so relieved that everything arrived in my house safe and sound. But if you want to see another video about the Xbox Series X and why I choose to game on it, then go right ahead and click or tap on the screen. But until next time, Handsome Nation, thank you and have a good one.